The super duper feature update. It's super duper duper ooper.
Introducing Click, Move, and Blur. Hey there, Super Squad. We are making maps even better. Now you can change the location of the click so you can show where exactly to click on the screenshot. Pretty cool. And if you have some sensitive data or you maybe want to blur something that you don't want people to focus on in your screenshot, you can add that blur right now. Pretty nice. That way you're not sharing sensitive data. You can actually get people to focus on the location you want them to show, and you can save it into your map. Let's hear from Super Dave.
What's up, y'all? Super Dave here with an update on maps, specifically around editing screenshots. So we added the editing in the past, being able to do some basic stuff just with changing the names and changing a title here and there. But this specifically is about doing stuff with the screenshot, so you can move the target point of what you clicked on. So we want to put that more exact. And then probably what's important here for security reasons potentially is the ability to redact certain information or kind of blur stuff out. So maybe I don't want to show people in my network on this screenshot, so I'll take them out. You can see the preview and what it's going to look like for everyone else. I can still go back in here and kind of move stuff around, delete it, or whatever. But once I hit save, though, that is permanent. So if I hit save, I'm going to come back in here and you'll see that even if I try to edit it, that is now part of the image. So just a couple quick updates. This gives us a good basis to bring some additional screenshot editing stuff in to make to enhance the maps and really bring them to life. So I'm excited to see what you all do with it, and stay super.